This is a love reading for the sun sign Libra for the period of June to July. In this love reading, I will be doing a heart-shaped spread to know. In this heart-shaped spread, I will be taking out cards for Librans who are in relationship or are couples. On my left, I will be taking out other cards for you Libra. And on my right are the cards for your partner, your love interest, if you're married, then your spouse. Once I've seen how the cards are for Librans who are in relationship or are couples, I will remove the partner cards to only look for guidance for Librans who are single and are looking for love. If you were to write to me, I complete the heart for singles with the time spread. Since this is a general reading, I cannot do a time spread. So we'll only take the guidance from tarot on how is it looking for you. Now also please note that this is a general reading and not everything will apply to all the Librans, and whatever may apply will vary in the intensity. So first I'm asking is, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenges you bring? What is the strength or challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about the relationship or your partner in the future? What is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future? What's the past you are coming from and what's the past your partner is coming from? And this is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading. So let's see what's the guidance. Now, Libra, you seem to be in a very good relationship. For some of you, you have found a perfect connection quite late in life. So it's quite possible that some of you have been through a bad marriage or have been through bad relationships to now have found something very, very rewarding and so true. So Libra, it's looking as if you're very, very happy in the relationship. You're able to do and be as you like. So there is no pressure. You're very free to pursue your interests and just do just about what you like doing. So you're almost feeling so liberated in the current relationship. Very powerful energy which you have. Who is your partner? Your partner is very gifted. It's quite possible that some of you may be dating or are married to someone who has a story of rags to riches, someone who's made it through very tough times and has seen a very bad life or a tough life, but now has created a very solid position for himself or herself socially as well as materially and financially. So now it's looking as if the money is raining and a good life is raining on your partner. So your partner's been through a lot and they have been able to create immense success for themselves over a period of time. So you both are looking like this is a very deep connection where you both have taken time to understand each other and really connect at a very deep level. Libra, you're also being very, very open and free. And this quality is just so good in a relationship because it's telling me that maybe this is the reason why your partner feels that this is such a rewarding relationship. So, the good part is you both seem to have achieved a milestone with this relationship, and you both seem to be very content and happy that you have met each other. So, it's a very beautiful connection. Now, what is the strength or challenges you bring, and what is the strength or challenges your partner is bringing? So, you both have been through a lot, and Libra, you seem to have learned with lot of mistakes, being blindsided, being let down, being or going through trust which was very heavily broken. So it's looking like you have dealt with a lot in the relationship. So there is this whole energy of someone who's been through a lot of conflict and has now made peace and found their true inner calling. What is the strength or challenges your partner is bringing? Your partner seems to have ended something that was not working for them. It's quite possible that Libra, you and your partner have relocated or moved to a new place and are trying to start afresh. So your partner seems to have gone through a very difficult time and is very committed to making it work. So they may be hurt but not down. So a very strong spirit really. So you both are bringing a lot of compassion and sensitivity into the relationship because of the challenges that you both have faced in the past. Now, how do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? There is immense respect that you both have for each other, yeah. So, Libra, you see your partner as capable of just moving the world or achieving whatever they set their eyes on, purely on willpower and positivity. So, there is this whole energy of someone who has created immense success for themselves purely on their belief in inner ability. So, Libra, you see your partner as someone very positive, strong, and such a lion heart, really. So, you have immense respect. You see, this is a crown the queen is wearing. So, you do look up to your partner and you just like this whole ability of being able to deal with any and every situation with sheer positivity. So you love this whole positive energy about your partner. Now, how does your partner see you? Well, your partner has immense respect for you as well. So it's telling me that you two really understand each other and you both have taken out time to not rush into a relationship or a marriage, and you both have spent a lot of time dealing and understanding each other's true nature. So that's why you both have now evolved into respecting each other so much. So your partner has immense respect for you as well, and your partner feels that you probably are an expert at how you think or what you do, and you can bring a lot of good to the society. So it's quite possible that you're someone very well to do, Libra, and your partner totally looks up to you. But your partner, in his or her own right, also is very capable and is looked up to. Yeah. So, very good, powerful energies. Now, Libra, one thing about your partner is your partner is not just mentally sharp but is also very flexible. So, it's telling me that your partner may let you believe that you are the one taking all the decisions, but they have this gentle strength of really not letting you know that they are the ones actually making decisions and being so firm with how things should be. So you will never feel your partner pushing you around or making you feel cornered or pressurized into certain decisions. This is their ability. They have way with words, being so positive and really convincing people without really having to put much effort into it. So, very capable partner that you have. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the relationship, and what is the hope or fear your partner has with you or the relationship? So, future energies are very, very strong and powerful. So, it's telling me that Libra, you're convinced that this is a happily ever after union, and the future energy for the two of you is just destined to be a bliss, and you both are going to move to the next level in the relationship. So there is this great happiness, blissfulness that the two of you have about the relationship. How does your partner, what does your partner feel about you or the relationship in the future? Your partner is equally convinced that this was a relationship which was meant to be, and he or she is very lucky that Libra, they have found you, because this is a energy of everything just falling in place together very quickly. So your partner feels that things are meant to be with two of you being in a union. So your partner is just as much convinced as you are about the future together. Very, very beautiful energies. Now, what is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? You've been emotionally confused. You have spent a lot of time introspecting, trying to keep your expectations very, very realistic and in check, so that you are not unrealistic with your expectations. So you have spent a lot of time working on your inner core and really settling with certain emotions. So your past energies, you have spent a lot of time understanding and dealing with your past relationships or your partner or people in general, and emotionally getting a grip on how things are. What is the past energy your partner is coming from? There is a lot of regret your partner seems to have, Libra, of having made certain decisions in haste and rushing into certain relationships. But the good part is your partner seems to have made a clean cut, have made seem to have made corrections into certain decisions that they would have taken, because now your partner is totally feeling rewarded and is very, very positive about the future energy. Some of you Libra may have a partner who just speaks too much, and or probably just a talker. So sometimes maybe your partner just regrets having said too much, but overall very good cards and a lot of good compatibility. Now, what is the guidance from tarot for the love reading? Some of you who are in a long distance relationship, the guidance is you both should very decisively take a action and spend time together. Also, if you've been together for some time, it's quite possible that your work could get in the way for the two of you. So the reason we do tarot is to get a sneak peek into how the future is looking. So as of now, it's looking that while you both are working as a team, there is a great deal of decision making time, that quality time that you're spending together. You have to ensure that this effort continues to go in, and some work pressure does not pull you both apart. So the guidance is, if you are both in a long distance relationship, you should both be meeting often and spending time together. And if you both are together and spending good time, then you have to make an effort that this continues, because there is an energy of being disturbed with some external work or some distractions related to work or some urgency where attention is needed. So overall the cards are very good. There is a lot of teamwork. You both understand each other sorry, very well emotionally. So cards are good, and this relationship is looking like it will move to the next level. It's a very beautiful relationship. So this is how the cards are for you Libra who are in relationship and are a couple. I will now remove the partner cards and I'm just going to look at Librans who are single and are looking for love. If you're looking for love and you're single, it looks like Libra you have told the whole wide world sorry that you're single and you will like to be in a relationship. This is a very good sign to let people know that you will like to be dating or find yourself a companion. So, effort wise, you're still dealing with some emotional confusion, maybe that you've had, and there are some disappointments that you should make peace with. But overall, I see a very positive energy if you're single and you're looking for love, and this energy should very quickly materialize. Some of you may just be keeping little too high expectations from your prospective partner. It's quite possible that you expect that only a guy should make the first move, or if you are a guy thinking that unless a woman does this, you won't make the next move. So, whatever is that is holding you back, Libra, you may just want to correct your expectations from the new love or potential partner that you may be meeting. You don't want to be too unreasonable, and sometimes it's okay to go more than half the way in trying to meet and understand the other person, because overall the cards are good, the energy is very vibrant, so love should happen to you very quickly, only if you can just manage your expectations a little bit. So this was your reading Libra from June to July.